What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, OxmanGarage. So today we have Yoshi here, and we are working on his Cresta. So this car just came in this past month or so, and I decided to take it for a little drive, and well, left me on the side of the road. Very first, well, not very first drive, second drive. Went out to decided to take it out to a Cars and Coffee, which was a Sunset Edition, and well, it drove all the way there. Perfect, great. On the way back, though, I had to turn the headlights on, and well, that is when tragedy struck. So we are here replacing the alternator on this Cresta. Well, we hope it's the right one. We interchanged it and everything, so it should be right. But we will find out once we get it out of the car. Well, once he gets it out of the car, because I'm just watching.
No, you gotta turn it up. Let them see me. Yeah. So hopefully we get it out. Everything fits. It looks like it fits, but we don't know until we get it out. So you'll see that next.
While he takes the alternator out of the car, let's charge the battery up, because it was showing 1.8 volts when I hooked it up to the charger. So we'll see how well it will take a charge.
Oh, I'm supposed to talk? You're gonna leave that in, aren't you?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
All right, we got the alternator out. They look pretty much the same. You know, Philip did a good job cross-referencing these alternators. It wasn't too bad. It took about, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, it's not that bad. So let's hope it goes back in smoothly. And we'll have it running, driving.
Fake mechanic got it out. About 10 minutes or so. Wasn't too bad. It's right on top. Literally, battery, alter, done.
I'm a fake mechanic. I don't know how to work on cars, so, you know. What you're seeing on camera is not what you're really seeing.
Well, it's almost all the way in. We had to do some slight modifications to get that in, but it's in nonetheless. Getting it all nice and tight. Belt's tight. Just gotta tighten this up. Get the wire on. Battery back in. It'll be good to go. What do you think, Yosh?
Oh shit. Of course, this is the wrong fucking one. You're gonna have to bleep that out.
Probably won't.
Alright. But it should be good to go. It wasn't too bad. Like Phil said, a little bit of modification. But that's to be expected when doing things like this.
Hey, you know what? They're probably gonna yell at how bad the videographer is today. You know? I always get yelled at in my videos how bad it is. But it's not normally me doing it. But today, it will be. Alright, we're getting wrapped up with it all. He is having some major difficulties with putting a battery back in the vehicle. Come on, don't let that battery tie down mess with you. Don't let it win.
Oh, it's fucking with me.
He looks very frustrated. Super frustrated.
It's the simplest things that get you. Like working on the car is the smallest little things that will mess up your day. Yes, I'm having issues with it.
Is that the only thing you're having issues with? Because I don't think so. Alright, moment of truth. Does it start?
There is power.
We'll turn it on.
Huh?
Turn it on.
That's it?
Nope, battery's dead. Alright, take two with the jump box. But look at that!
They'll put that in.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna put that in. I didn't get the whole action, but I got that face going on. Look at that, Mr. Fake Mechanic. You did a good job there, bud. Oh, the old school way of doing things, with the throttle table.
It's so quiet.
Very quiet.
The belt is straight. Everything looks good. Revving it.
Another fine job today on the Toyota Cresta. He keeps calling it Cresta. Let's go back to the back here. Let's go back to English class. Cresta. Cresta. Cresta Exceed.
So this is like the base model of the Cresta. Cresta. Base model, but I liked it.
He said, I want a JZX, but I want to pay JZX money, so he gets a GX, which, to be fair, smart move.
Nice
and clean.
I have an extra 2J at home. So I'm gonna put the extra 2J in this.
Or you do a 1.5J.
Well, I may do a 1J. But it's not bad.
And no lights on, just the park and brake and seatbelt light. Nothing else is on, not like the other day. But hey, let's test this. Let's test the lights out here. This is the real test. Now the door is open. The real test is, let's see how long it lasts with the lights on, because last time it didn't take very long. So we'll see. Alright guys, well, we are here at the car wash cleaning the Cresta up. Everything is good to go. Hasn't left us stranded. Went to dinner. Stopped back at Advanced Auto Parts to drop off the core. And everything is good. But that's going to be the end of today's video. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that like button, like squad. I will put all the links down for Yoshi's socials down in the description below. Go check him out. Go smash that like button for him. Oh. Turned on the brush. Gonna clean this car up. I honestly did not wash this car at all when I got it, so. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna have more Elantra and more GTR content here soon. Peace.